G'day guys, welcome back to Chatty's Chase Charizard. Sorry I've not uploaded anything for a while. It's been flat out, as you know. It's hard to get anything, but I do have this. We have hit the SRR on Surging Sparks, so I'm just going to do one more today. And I picked this up today, or the other day. Prismatic Evolvens. I don't think I'm going to open this, but I'm just going to hold on to it. Maybe we hit 1,000 subs, I might open it, but until then, it's just going to sit there. Let's get into it. I'm going to go Lightning Energy. Sorry, it's been a while, guys. Water. See what we can get. And alright. Remember guys, like and subscribe and do not miss any upcoming videos. It wasn't an SRI, but we still got it. Alright. See you guys. Bye.